kids, ready to go on a preposition adventure? But wait, what is a preposition? A preposition is a little word that tells us when or where something is, like in, on, under, or behind. Let's learn some prepositions with our friend, Bingo the dog. Look, it's Bingo. Where is Bingo? Do I hear you say in the box? That's right. That word in is a preposition. It tells us where Bingo is. Now, where did Bingo go? Do you see him? Is he in the box? No, he's on the box. On is another preposition. It shows the location or position something or someone is. Great, let's move on. Where did Bingo go? Aha, he's under the box. Under is not just a word. It's like a little arrow pointing to where things hide. Under the table, under the bed, under the radar. What a sneaky preposition word, under. Bingo, where are you? There you are, Bingo, hiding behind the box, sneaky pup. Behind is another sneaky little preposition showing where something might be hiding or lurking, much like its buddy under. Can you see Bingo crouched behind a bush playing hide and seek? All right, it's time for a quick memory game. Let's go through the prepositions we learned today with Bingo the dog. You have 5 seconds to answer the questions. Where's Bingo? Is he in, on, or under the box? He's in the box. Where can you find Bingo? Is he under, on, or behind the couch? Bingo is on the couch. Well done. Can you spot Bingo anywhere? Where is he? He's under the box. Sneaky Bingo. Our final question, look closely. Can you find Bingo? Do you know where he is? There he is, hiding behind the rose bushes like a secret agent on a top secret mission. Give yourself a big round of applause. You've just become a preposition pro. See you next time for another word adventure.